WordPress hosting is different from regular hosting in that your provider is only going to host WordPress on the servers you use. This makes it easier to optimize performance and maintain security because there's only one type of software on it. So if you're currently using WordPress or planning to use it for your website, you really should consider investing in web hosting that's made for that platform. In this video, we've researched the best WordPress hosting services available on the market. And as always, timestamps below this video along with the latest discounts to all of these providers. So let's get started. 1. SiteGround. SiteGround has been making a name for itself in the WordPress community for a while now, and not without a reason. Their hosting platform is strong when it comes to for WordPress optimized servers, plus they offer managed WordPress hosting at price points you won't find a cheaper managed host of the same quality anywhere else. What's also worth pointing out is that SiteGround is one of the few officially recommended hosts by WordPress.org. Installing WordPress on SiteGround is a breeze, thanks to their built-in installer. A few clicks are all it takes to get your site up and running, highlighting the platform's user-friendliness. Additionally, SiteGround offers the flexibility to choose your server location from among their data centers spread across the USA, Asia, and Europe, allowing for better site performance based on your audience's geography. SiteGround's customer support is another area where they shine. Their support team is accessible through various channels, including chat, phone, tickets, and social media. What sets their support apart is not just the availability, but the quality of assistance. The team's deep knowledge of WordPress and hosting solutions means they can handle a wide array of queries extending beyond mere hosting issues. Our interactions with SiteGround's support were impressive, with quick and efficient help in setting up a temporary URL for our test site. The support software's user interface is sleek, and the team's willingness to provide detailed advice and screenshots was particularly helpful. When exploring their hosting packages, the $2.99 startup plan serves as a gateway to their services. However, for those seeking a more WordPress-centric experience, the Grow Big or Go Geek plans are preferable. These options are slightly pricier, but justify their cost with features like advanced caching developed in-house, staging capabilities, premium wildcard SSL certificates, and free PCI compliance, making them ideal for e-commerce ventures. In summary, SiteGround differentiates itself in the crowded WordPress hosting market with its optimized hosting solutions, competitive pricing, and exceptional customer support. Their plans cater to a range of needs, from basic to advanced, ensuring there's something for everyone. With SiteGround, users can expect a seamless hosting experience that's also conducive to growth, making it a wise choice for WordPress site owners. If this sounds like the right WordPress hosting service for you, below this video is a link to SiteGround's special discount for all pricing plans. 2. Bluehost. Powering more than 2 million sites across the globe, Bluehost is an industry leader in the web hosting space, especially for WordPress sites. In fact, it's one of the few web hosts that WordPress officially recommends. Bluehost is a great option for anyone building a new website from scratch. When you sign up for hosting, you get a free domain name for a year, and WordPress is a one-click install. Normally, a domain name costs $10 to $15, but you save time in addition to money. Instead of having to register a domain and download WordPress, you can get everything done in a single step. Plus, the cost of WordPress hosting is about as low as you will find. WordPress hosting from Bluehost starts at just $2.95 per month. You'll have to sign a 3-year contract to get the best deal. If you are always going to need hosting, I suggest locking in the best discount for as long as possible. Navigating around your new WordPress dashboard is fairly straightforward, but you can reach out to Bluehost support if you have questions. Representatives are available any time of day by phone or live chat. Lots of the best parts are baked right into the service. A free CDN to boost performance and security and a free SSL certificate is always enabled. You don't have to configure any of it in order to benefit from faster speeds and safer traffic. It's easy enough to take advantage of free WordPress themes and find a layout you like. Plus, there are tons of incredible options via the Bluehost WordPress marketplace if you are willing to spend a couple of bucks. Other noteworthy highlights from Bluehost include automatic WordPress updates, unlimited traffic, 50 GB storage, and $200 in free Google Ads and Microsoft credits. All of this comes with Bluehost Basic WordPress web hosting, starting at $2.95 per month. For an entry-level plan, 50 GB of storage is a lot, more than twice as much as you get with other plans. There are no arbitrary limits on traffic, but if your site starts to impact other sites on the server, they may ask you to upgrade to a higher tier plan. The Plus and Choice Plus plans let you build as many sites as you want, whereas Basic limits you to just one. You will also get unlimited storage and greater server resources with the higher tier plans. Or you can choose to take advantage of either managed hosting plans for WordPress or Bluehost's specialized WooCommerce hosting. Bluehost's managed WordPress hosting starts at $9.95 per month with a 3-year contract. The introductory rate is very attractive compared to other managed plans, which is great for getting managed level service locked in for the near future. However, it is lacking some features compared to more robust managed WordPress plans, like the ones offered by WP Engine. But if this is your first site, you shouldn't even be worried about managed hosting. You'll be fine with shared WordPress hosting. Bluehost will get you set up with everything you need at an affordable price. We also really like their online store-specific hosting as well. It's a great way to get a WooCommerce store set up in a pinch. With its included store builder, pre-installed WooCommerce and Jetpack, one-click install for payment processing, and capability for manual order creation. Below this video is a link that will give you up to 50% off on all pricing plans for Bluehost. 3. Hostinger. Hostinger is a newer company in the WordPress hosting space, but has been making a name for itself in the industry rather quickly. The main reason is their more than attractive pricing. To get started with Hostinger, it's just $2.69 per month, which is a price that's hard to beat. Even at that rock-bottom pricing, it has the essential package of features and resources necessary to get a WordPress site off the ground and looking sharp. Everything is easy to set up, even if it is your first time getting hosting or using WordPress. A 4-year contract is required to get the best price, so there is a little bit of a commitment, but the total price tag of 4 years at those low rates is still well below a single year with other options. You also save with the free email account, domain name, CDN, and a free SSL certificate that's super easy to enable. Your site will be faster and more secure with hardly any effort on your part. Hostinger's entry-level plan is not aimed at developers and the like who need to put a big strain on their site. You get 100 GB of storage and weekly backups. The lack of daily backups might not work for some users, but if you don't need to update your site all the time, a weekly backup is a comforting insurance plan. At the low price, there's obviously no white-glove customer service, but it is still available 24/7. Customers tend to review Hostinger's support very well, even if the response time is slower than you get with a managed plan. There are going to be upsells in the platform, but there's no catch. It's a really great value because Hostinger hasn't cut costs where it counts. You get a 99.9% uptime guarantee, and site speed is reliable for up to 10,000 visitors each month. If you are just getting started, this is more than enough. And Hostinger has really optimized the WordPress experience. The Lightspeed cache accelerates your site and works well with the most popular plugins. It's not just increased performance. Hostinger provides a helpful suite of tools to get your site looking professional. One-click WordPress installation, a site setup wizard, and lots of helpful tutorials. You'll be able to take advantage of free WordPress plugins and themes to improve your site at no cost. Hostinger has ultra-competitive introductory pricing for all of the WordPress hosting plans they offer. To get started with Hostinger, it's just $2.69 per month, which is a price that's hard to beat. Renewal rates jump a good bit higher than the introductory rate, but that has a lot to do with just how deep of a discount they offer. Don't be thrown by the jump in pricing. The full rate is comparable to other shared WordPress hosting. And if you snag the best deal by going with a 4-year commitment up front, you don't have to worry about paying more for your hosting for a good 48 months. At the end of the day, if you are looking for a low-cost hosting plan that's optimized for WordPress, Hostinger is a very good option. It's a no-frills plan that covers all your bases and delivers great performance. Hostinger offers our audience up to 75% off discount. 4. Cloudways. If you've been shopping for WordPress hosting for a bit, you've probably noticed that a lot of providers start to run together after a while. It can be a parade of largely similar options with only slight differences in price, management, or other options. Cloudways does everything a little bit differently though, and that could be to your benefit. This provider's goal is to strike a unique balance between user customization and the stress-free nature of managed WordPress hosting. It starts with something novel right off the bat. You select the cloud server infrastructure you'd like from 5 of the top platforms, including DigitalOcean, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Vultr, and Linode. Each offers at least 8 data centers to choose from, sprinkled across North America, Europe, and Asia, with some even having options in Australia, Africa, and South America. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to customizing your Cloudways package. Each infrastructure option comes with 4 preset pricing packages, but you can easily adjust or reallocate resources after getting signed up. Plus, all plans are billed monthly for pay-as-you-go pricing, so you only pay for the resources you're actually using and can make plan changes with ease. There's even an hourly billing option that can come in handy for super short-term site projects and testing endeavors. Plus, depending on your comfort level with server management, there are a host of ways to fine-tune your hosting experience, including one-click backups on demand, automated backups, one-click application for stop, app web root changes, supervisory process manager, and cron job rules and scheduling. You get all of this control, plus deep optimization features for WordPress sites, robust security, and expert support with Cloudways. Pricing varies greatly based on the server infrastructure you choose, resource levels, and premium options for DigitalOcean and Vultr. With Cloudways, you can get started for just $12 per month with no commitment. That gives you more storage and bandwidth than a lot of other base WordPress hosting plans from other providers, while giving you a truly managed hosting experience with extra fine levels of control on your end. Because it's highly configurable, scalable, and you get dedicated server resources, Cloudways is one of the fastest WP hosting providers on the web right now. We recommend using either Vultr HF or DigitalOcean Premium servers from Cloudways, as these have faster CPUs and faster hard disks, faster than plain SSDs. While a few bucks more expensive than the standard Vultr and DigitalOcean servers, these performance features will make a difference, particularly to sites running WooCommerce. 5. HostGator. HostGator emerges as a top choice for those venturing into WordPress hosting or seeking a host that can accommodate their growing website needs. This service is ideal whether you're launching your first site with grand aspirations or if your current host can't keep up with your expanding portfolio of websites. HostGator distinguishes itself with two key features: complementary migration services and managed WordPress hosting. The free migration service is a significant relief for anyone who has experienced the stress of switching web hosts. HostGator's professionals handle the entire migration process at no extra cost, removing a major headache for website owners. The true value, however, lies in HostGator's managed WordPress hosting. From the outset, WordPress integration is seamless, with automatic installation. This service includes a free domain and email, essentials for any website. Additionally, one-click WordPress installs streamline the setup process, enhancing efficiency. Speed is crucial for any website, and HostGator's optimized server environment ensures rapid loading times for WordPress sites. This optimization can significantly reduce page loading times, a critical factor in attracting and retaining visitors. Moreover, HostGator provides a free SSL certificate and advanced security measures specifically designed to protect WordPress sites. These features include automatic backups, safeguarding your site's data. Automatic updates are another boon, keeping your site up to date with the latest software without any effort on your part. This feature ensures your website runs smoothly and securely, leveraging the latest advancements. Support is another area where HostGator shines. They offer round-the-clock expert assistance for any WordPress-related issues. Their team of WordPress specialists is always available, providing peace of mind and expert guidance whenever needed. HostGator also caters to websites experiencing growth in visitor numbers. Their managed hosting plans can handle a significant volume of monthly visits, making them a suitable option for sites that are scaling up. This generous allocation of monthly visits means that HostGator can support your site as it reaches new heights. HostGator offers a diverse range of hosting plans, particularly tailored for WordPress users. The starter plan has an introductory offer that locks you in at $5.95 per month for 36 months, so you're only paying a smidge over $200 for 3 years of scalable web hosting. The standard plan is $7.95 per month for the same time commitment, and the business plan will cost you $9.95 per month. That's right in the ballpark of what you'd expect to pay for quality hosting. 6. WP Engine. WP Engine is the original managed WordPress hosting provider and still leads the pack in terms of providing concierge service and expert support. The company has also developed a platform full of exclusive tools designed to help you take your WordPress site to the next level. If you are just getting a small site or blog online, WP Engine is overkill. This is a good option for people with online stores, a bunch of sites, and other complex WordPress hosting needs. WP Engine allows you to get high-performance sites without having to hire a developer or stress about maintenance. The whole sign-up process with WP Engine is very straightforward. In fact, getting WordPress installed is an integral part of that initial sign-up. In other words, you don't need to do any WordPress installing on your own. The WP Engine team takes care of that for you. At the end of sign-up, you simply get an email with all the access credentials and important data regarding your new site. With WP Engine, you'll unlock blazing fast speed, incredible uptime, and best-in-class security without any work on your part. In addition to optimizing the IT environment, WP Engine will keep the WordPress core and PHP up to date. The company is constantly monitoring and blocking threats, keeping your sites fast and safe. WP Engine has a legendary customer service record. The company does not host anything besides WordPress. You are always going to get a rep who knows the platform inside and out and handles relevant issues all day, every day. With so much taken care of with WP Engine, you have more time to focus on building a great site. 36 premium StudioPress themes are included with every hosting plan. Normally, that would cost hundreds of dollars, but you are free to experiment and customize these powerful themes as you like. Some of the other highlights include automatic WordPress updates, free SSL certificate, free CDN, geo-targeted content, free automated WordPress migrations, development, staging, and production environments. It's also worth mentioning that no other managed WordPress host offers separate development and staging environments. This is a boon to WordPress developers, as it solves some of the pesky problems associated with one-click staging environments. Managed WordPress hosting starts at $25 per month with a 1-year contract. You can also sign up for 1 month at a time, which some hosting providers don't allow, and it's only $30 per month. 7. Dreamhost. Dreamhost, along with SiteGround and Bluehost, is one of the few hosting providers that WordPress officially recommends. Unlike the other 2 providers, Dreamhost offers extremely competitive month-to-month rates. This is really attractive for people who aren't looking to sign a long contract in order to get a good price. Dreamhost does offer discounts with longer contracts on some plans, but right now you can grab your first month of the WordPress Starter Plan for just $2.59 per month. Another reason Dreamhost keeps your day 1 spend down is that a free domain name is included for the first year. That saves another $10 to $15 right there. Dreamhost also includes domain privacy, which keeps your personal information off the public record. That may cost as much as $15 each year with other hosts. Dreamhost will give you the domain for free, but you don't get as many tools to help you build your site. Dreamhost offers a wide range of plans to choose from. In addition to the affordable shared WordPress hosting, the company offers DreamPress, a managed solution, and WordPress hosting on a virtual private server. All Dreamhost plans are WordPress responsive, and Dreamhost recruits and trains the best support technicians to help with WordPress hosting installations, themes, and plugins. All plans come with a one-click WordPress installation to make getting started as straightforward as possible. You can get set up quickly with more than 200 starter sites built for restaurants, real estate, fashion, web design, and more. Use the simple drag-and-drop builder to add your content and finishing touches. Dreamhost handles all of the WordPress and security updates and includes automatic daily backups. This is unusual for shared WordPress hosting and saves you the expense of buying a plugin like Jetpack to back up your site. Performance-wise, Dreamhost offers integrated caching, SSD storage, and flexible resource scaling to ensure optimal site performance. Despite its servers being located in the US only, Dreamhost's use of CDN and other technologies helps maintain good load times globally. So, these are the best WordPress hosting providers available in the market. If you are undecided about which tool to choose, most of these platforms offer free trials, so we highly recommend checking them out and doing your own research to see which hosting provider suits your needs best. Once again, we'll leave the best and latest discounts and free trials below this video for you. And make sure to like the video, subscribe, and check out other software tools reviews available on our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.